Good morning, YouTube. It's Laura from TuxedoPlanners, and how are you guys doing today? Today I'm coming back to you with another plan with me, and this is in my Hobonichi Weeks, and this is my family weeks instead of my YouTube and Facebook weeks. So let's get started. The kit I'm going to be using is from Shine Sticker Studio, and this is a Harry Potter themed kit. And I thought this was really cute. And my house is Ravenclaw, if you're interested. So if you want to know what house you are, there is a website called, I think, Pottermore. Pottermore.com, and that will do a sorting hat for you, and you can find out what house you're in. But I'm a Ravenclaw. So we're going to go on and get started. And the first thing I'm going to do is lay down my bottom washi. And I'm going to start with this one. Oops. Right off the bat, I'm crooked. And all of Shine Sticker Studio's stickers are on removable mat, so that's good for people like me that ride the struggle bus when it comes to sticker laying downing. I don't know, maybe it goes like, no, I guess it goes like that. All right, let's try this one more time. We'll get it this time. There we go. Perfect. All right, let's get this other one down now. But yeah, I've taken multiple sorting hat quizzes, and every one of them puts me strongly in the house of Ravenclaw. So my daughter is in Gryffindor. My husband's also in Ravenclaw as well. So if you're into that sort of thing, I think I've packed, I think we're going to have to do this without my handy dandy tweezers, because I've just got through finished packing, and by the time you guys see this video, I'll probably already be at Smoky Mountain Planner Land in Gatlinburg for the weekend. So I'm not sure when this video will go up, but I will be there. And my handy dandy tweezers are already packed for that. So, so bear with me while I try and get these stickers in with just my hands here. And it's not easy to boot when you don't have nails. So, all right. So they look like they're going down pretty easy though. So I finally got all my table gifts made and my swaps done. I rushed and did everything at the last minute. I kind of knew I would, because that's kind of the way I operate. I do everything at the last possible minute to get anything done. Don't know why that is, but I've always been that way. All right, I'm just going to outline the date dots for me. There we go. And I have to outline these as well. There. Okay, so I got those done. And I just went on and pre-outlined my thing so you guys wouldn't have to get stuck watching that. All right, the next thing I'm going to put down is this cute little weekend banner. I love how she's peeking out behind the little thing. And let's put our Quidditch down. And I'm going to put my little, I like to think of her as a little Ravenclaw girl, and I'm going to put her up top. Because we Ravenclaws, you know, we got to stick together there. And I'm going to put some, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. We can put one of these on every day. So I'll put a to-do list on every day. I'm going to switch this up a little bit. As you see, last week I put my to-dos over here. And this is how this week is kind of shaping up. I went in and filled out some more things that I'm doing. So we'll just do it this way. And get these little to-dos in. I love how she's matching them up with the house colors. So if you guys have taken the sorting hat quiz, you'll have to leave below what house you're in for me. So I'd like to know what you guys got for your house that you're a member of. I kind of figured I would be Ravenclaw because I like to research and investigate everything, which is generally what I think that house is all about. All right, I'm going to put a box on Wednesday, and I'm going to put a box on Monday, and then I'm going to put a box on Friday for just the three boxes because that's all I have. Then I'm going to put 2 habit trackers down here and another habit tracker on top of this. And then I'm probably going to do to buy up top. Actually, I'm probably going to do a to clean up top, and put these little stickers down here. There, and of course, you know these boxes are for my weather. I always have to have my weather. You know that. You guys know that. If you've been around me anytime, you'll know. Gotta have my weather and my weeks. So put that down. I would really like to go down to Universal Studios and see the Harry Potter world. I bet that is really cool. We're Disney folks, so naturally we always go to Disney, but you know, sometimes I like to switch it up and try something different and maybe do like Universal. But the thing about Universal is we're not exactly very big thrill ride family, so we don't do a lot of thrill rides. Where can I stick my platform 9 3/4 at? Maybe I'll stick it up here next to that. There we go. So now we finished up the kit. So now we just have to kind of come in and put some things. Now Monday we'll still be traveling back, so I'm going to put a little car. So there's not anything that's going to be going on Monday, so I'm just going to leave a little car there to note that we're coming back. Wednesday, I'm going to take one of my little Wonton in a Million stickers, even though they're a little big. I'm going to stick it there for Wednesday. I do need to fold laundry. I'm sure I'll have laundry, so I'm going to put that on Tuesday. And I do have to put my token Disney sticker down, so I'm going to put my little Marie sticker down somewhere. Put her down here in the bottom there. And let's see. Let's put... Sunday is trash day. We'll put that down. It's also recyclable day, so we'll put that down. We got that. I got the payday down. I got planning time. That's going to be on Sunday as well. So I'm going to put planning time down here in my little tiny writing. That's some tiny, teeny, tiny writing here. You guys probably can't even see how tiny that writing is. Look at that. Look how tiny that little writing is. It's like it's itty bitty. All right, so I've got that down. I do have some extra boxes here. I don't think I'm going to need them. I think I'm going to be pretty minimalist this week. And I've got some schedules down. So Tuesday, I don't have my husband's schedule down for Tuesday. I'll have to get that. I know Wednesday I have an appointment. Let me write that down. So I have appointment, and that's at 2 p.m. And that's actually with a lawyer. Okay, so I got that appointment in. I don't have my husband's schedule yet for that. I think he brought it home to me, but I don't have it with me. So I won't be doing that. I know I'm going to track my meds for one of my trackers. Not sure what the other tracker is going to be. To clean, this will be the change. We're going to be changing the sheets on the bed when I get home. I already got fold the laundry. Undoubtedly, I'm going to have to clean the kitchen. And the bathrooms. There. I know those things will have to be done. And, okay, let's see what else I've got. I think, once more, guys, this might be it. I don't have a lot really going on. I know I'm probably going to be tired, so I think I got a order in for Coffee Monster Co. here, and I got one of their low battery things. I think I'm going to put that in because I know Monday I'm going to be running low on batteries there. So we're just going to put that in because I know that's coming up. I do need to film, so I'll probably put another one for filming on Tuesday to do that because I need to upload some, do some YouTube planning. I just needed to get this planner convention out of the way, and then I can come back and start concentrating on what I need to do for my shop and getting my planning convention going on and all of that. I'm not sure if there's anything in particular I need to buy. All right, guys, I think that might be it. So short and sweet. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you like my content, please think about subscribing to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button. And with that, I'm off. Bye, guys. See you later.